Hi there, this is Mr. Barsh with another Tone Savvy tutorial video. This one is on note naming. No, I'm sorry, we're going to do this on piano keys. So PK01 is the one that I'm going to be looking at right here. And let's work through it. All right, so notice right here, the blue is what I've selected. It's just the unmodified notes. For now, I haven't selected any of the sharps and flats. We'll get to that later. We need to get 10 of them right in order for it to count, and with no more than 5 mistakes. So first things first, we've done in other drills note naming. So remember, treble clef, every good boy deserves fudge, is the lines of the treble clef. As you go up on your treble clef, you're going to be going forward through the alphabet. Down here on the piano, going to the right is going to go up to higher and higher notes. So going to the right is higher notes. So notice here we have 2 black keys right by our middle C. So C is always going to be to the left of these 2 black keys. Notice here we have 3 black keys, here we have 2 black keys, 3 black keys, and so on. Wherever you have 2 black keys, C is to the left. So this, just like this is C, D, E, this is also C, D, E. Down here, C, D, E. One thing you need to know then is based on where the note is here on the staff, is it this one, is it this one, is it this one? All right, as you go to the right, we're going up in the alphabet, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Right by the 3 black keys is F, G, A, B. And then we have a 2 black key group again, so it's C, D, E again, F, G, A, B. So it repeats that way. All right, now, so our note here is E. Every good boy deserves fudge is an E. And notice it's kind of by the middle. Between the treble clef and the bass clef is where we'll have our middle C, and that's what's located here. This is the E that's just above or to the right of middle C. So this is C, D, E. Now this also is an E. Every good boy deserves. So that line would be a D, and the space just above it would be an E. So this is also E, but we're not going to hit the same key here that we did before because this one's so much higher. It's gotten farther away from the middle. So I need to do not this E, which is by middle C, I need to do the next E up. And our 2 black key groups, so our next 2 black key group is here, C, D, E. So this is where the E is. All right, this note right here, every good boy, would get me to that line. The space just above it is going to be a C. All right, so it's a C. Well, we know middle C is here. So a C is going to look like this. It's going to be to the left of a 2 black key group. But which C are we talking about? It's not this C, which is in the middle. It's the next C that's above that. So we're not going to do this middle C. We're going to do the next C up. All right, this one right here. The bottom line of the treble clef is every, right? Every good boy deserves fudge. So that's an E. Going down, the space is D, the line is C. So this is C, and it's middle C because it happens in the middle, in between these treble clef and bass clef. So I'll click middle C here. Keep doing these until you get 10 of them right with no more than 5 mistakes, and then your assignment will be complete. If you don't understand it, or if you make mistakes, hit stop quiz and submit best effort every time. Remember, you'll get partial credit for it, and you won't get an incomplete on this. I need to see that you're making attempts so that I can know what I need to teach and what I need to help people with. Submit your best effort, and then that's it. Thank you.